Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar.
Hi guys, this is Bossy Shruti and today we are talking about vacation fits. Yes, I am totally in the mood to go for a holiday. I actually had something planned but then it didn't materialize, so I'm kind of sad. So that's why I was like, at least let me show you guys all the outfits that I was going to wear. So yeah, these are just a couple of vacation outfit ideas that I wanted to share with you guys. I know a lot of you guys are traveling right now because COVID restrictions have been removed, and I'm also excited to kind of travel. Hopefully things will materialize finally. But travel or no travel, vacation is a state of mind. So I just wanted to share a couple of vacation outfit ideas. The basic thing that I had in my mind while putting together these looks is because I wanted pieces which were absolutely versatile, things which I know that I'm going to be able to use in a lot of ways, because luggage is always a problem. Plus, I feel I am such a shopaholic type of person. When I am going on a vacation or traveling, I always like to visit the markets over there and always end up buying something or the other as a memorabilia from the place that I'm traveling to. So I like to have space in my luggage when I'm traveling so that I can get stuff from there. So these vacation fits are like basics that I feel like you need to have in your wardrobe to have amazing vacation pictures and also have a comfortable vacation stay. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. But listen, before I go, a huge shout out to Khel Raja, who are the sponsors for today's video. They are India's largest Pred Play entertainment platform.
Khel Raja, India's own Pred Play platform. Be the king.
Visit their website to know more. Link in the description. And now let's get to the video. First up is this Easy Breezy cord set. This is a super bright yellow color that we have here. I actually love how comfortable this cord set is. I feel like the top has a number of ways that you can wear it. I can wear this with a skirt. I can even wear this with a high-waisted jeans or one of those baggy jeans, you know, because this has this tie-up detail which shows a little bit of cleavage and also has these puff sleeves which are very in trend now. Also, for someone like me who is pear-shaped, I love puff sleeves tops because they balance out the pear-shapedness of my body type. This is definitely something that I would recommend you to pack with you. Also, the color is so summer appropriate. It's so easy breezy. The skirt has this stretchy material at the waist, which I think will fit a variety of body types. And also because this is high-waisted, it looks very, very flattering. And of course, if you carry a cord set like this, you can mix and match it with a couple of other outfits and you can get, you know, at least 3 to 4 outfits just out of one. So that's why a cord set is a must. Next up, I have this super gorgeous boho number. This is also a cord set, but I love the fact that this has this tassel detailing in the bottom and the top is super sexy. I know that this top by itself, if you're not that comfortable with the deep neckline of this, you can always wear like a tube top underneath just to kind of make things more comfortable. You can obviously customize these things according to your preference and comfort, but for someone like me, I love going to hot places. So I absolutely don't mind and I don't have that heavier chest. So I think I'm okay with it. Also, the way I like wearing this top is actually like a sari blouse. I am wearing this with my mom's old sari. You must have seen me wear this sari at least a million times now on Instagram. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, Boss Lady Shruti, follow me right now. Pause this video, go to Instagram, follow. Thank you. So this sari is something that I've had in my wardrobe for a very long time, and this as a blouse looked really nice. So for me, I actually like carrying one sari with me whenever I'm traveling. Sari is just something that I go for when I don't have anything else in my wardrobe. I feel like sari is something I like to wear. Even if I am in India or abroad, I feel like it is the right amount of sexiness. Even like if I want to go on a dinner date and I don't have the right kind of outfit, I would wear a sari because I'm like, represent! India represent! And the sari just brings in so much of elegance and grace. It's unbeatable and unmatchable. So yeah, I always like carrying things which can work in a versatile manner. So this quad set is absolutely versatile and a must in your vacation wardrobe. Next up we have the quintessential swimwear. So if you know me, you know that I love going to the beaches. For me, vacation equals beach. So for me, I love just lazing by the beach and soaking up the sun and getting a nice tan. That's just me and my idea of a vacation. So I definitely pack a couple of swimwear with me whenever I'm going. Here I'm wearing this one by Fashion Nova. You guys have seen me wear this almost in every video of mine because I am obsessed with this bikini set. I love the way that the top and the bottom fit my body type, and it just makes me look so nice and tan, and especially the white color. But if you go to the beach, you obviously also need a cover up. And here I'm wearing this super hot, and I mean super hot, skirt by Pretty Little Thing. It's got this really out there kind of detailing, cut out detailing at the back, which makes it sexy, risque and very, very beach appropriate. I remember showing this in my Pretty Little Thing haul and I was like, I don't know where I'm going to wear this, but I feel as a beach cover up this works brilliantly. So this bikini top and this skirt with a pair of sunglasses is exactly how you would see me walking around at the beach, you know, getting some drinks or food or something of that sort. And also when you're at the beach, if you're not exactly swimming, I like to just have some kind of a sarong or a cover up. It's just easier like that. If you have like a candlelit dinner by the beach or something of that sort, you can switch off the bikini top to a nice quad set top that I was wearing earlier with the sari as well, and it would look great together. So like I said, just carrying a couple of pieces here and there, you can build a number of outfits perfect for every occasion on a vacation. Next up, I have this super cute beige baby doll dress. This is such a cute girl next door kind of outfit. I feel like this is a day dress that you can wear if you're exploring the city or you're going to like tourist attractions or something of that sort. Of course, you can wear heels or flats depending on how much of walking you plan to do during the day. This dress is just so comfortable and so pretty, and I absolutely love the beige color. I feel like on tan Indian skin tones, this will look very, very beautiful. And I like that it has a zip in the back, so it kind of fits you also really well. Here I've paired it up with these sunglasses and this bag that I actually got from Buleshwar Market. I showed this in my last video, so if you guys haven't watched it, I will link it down below or here somewhere. You can check it out. I got some really steal deals from there as well. You know, when I wear this, I'm just one of those Bollywood vibes. You know what I mean? Who wear like these baby doll dresses and go out for brunches. When I wear this, I totally feel like one of them. I don't know why. But yeah, this is a great vacation fit because it's just one thing you wear and you're done. Not too much of accessorizing needed. Plus, it's very comfortable to wear, and that's why it makes it a perfect vacation fit. Next up comes your quintessential dinner date outfit. So if you are on a vacation, you definitely want to be going in for some really nice, quiet, exclusive dinners. I feel like a slinky satin dress like this is the perfect outfit for any hot dinner dates that you might have planned throughout your trip, maybe with your girlfriends or with your special someone. And even if you're traveling alone, I feel like you should be wearing your sexiest, best outfit to go for dinner, even if it is by yourself. This is very lightweight, so it's easy to carry with you, and you need very minimal kind of accessories with it, just a pair of heels and chandelier earrings and you're good to go. I like wearing outfits like this when I'm traveling because they're easy to carry and need very little styling and look very put together with minimal effort. And the silver tone of this dress really brings out the tan in my skin tone, which I love. I got this one from Amazon a while back and I have not been able to put this dress down. I've worn it at least 4 or 5 times ever since I got it. And it has just been my go-to dinner date outfit. Anytime I don't know what to wear, but I want to look sexy. So yes, those are all kind of my vacation outfit ideas that I wanted to put together for you guys. This is more of just a representation of the kind of clothes that you should be taking, in my opinion, rather than the exact sets that I think that you should be taking with you. Vacations are all about having fun, enjoying your leisure time, some downtime. So I really hope whoever is planning on taking a vacation actually enjoys their time and does that, because that is what is honestly the most important thing to do. So yes, those are all my vacation outfit ideas that I wanted to give you guys. These are the kind of clothes usually you will see me pack for when I'm packing for a vacation. Quad sets, swimwear, sari and a couple of accessories and whatnot. Also, let me know where you guys are going for vacation. I live vicariously through other people's social media about all the travels that everyone else is doing, so it'll be fun to know where you guys are traveling to and where you plan to go to next as well. So let me know in the comments down below and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.